Hi everybody, back here EMD Automotive. Just want to show you what we've done today. We just finished doing the front disc, front pads on the 987 Boxster, and this is the rear one. Rear disc, rear pads, very new ones. But we're just gonna adjust the handbrake. Handbrake adjustment is here. It's inside. It's hard to see, but if you look through there a little bit, you can actually see it's inside there. So you're gonna line up the hole with the actual adjustment, and then you just gotta keep going until it's tight. It's tight, so you can check. I can't move it, and then you gotta back it off 4 clicks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, it's beautiful. So, alright, we're done. Just want to show you that, share that with you guys. And just make sure every time you do a rear disc, well, it doesn't matter if the Porsche, just any car, you got to readjust the shoes, the handbrake shoes. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.